Like that Justin Bieber song, life is worth living. Good morning, we are in Mombasa. We arrived here last night around 8 and it was dark. I didn't film anything, we were so tired, so we walked like 5 minutes from our place, our Airbnb, to this local restaurant. It was meh. Anyway, today we're going to do a bunch of stuff. We don't have enough time because tomorrow we're leaving for Lamu, and yeah, it's a lot to do. We're gonna go to this place called Nguuni sanctuary if we can. There's like animals, you get to see them so close. It's just like it's not a zoo, so they're just like free roaming the territory. And then we'll have to go snorkeling if we can, and we'll have to visit old Mombasa town. So it's a bunch of things to do, but first thing first, we need to get lunch because we're hungry and there was no coffee machine at our Airbnb for nails to have coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I'm hungry too. I need some hot chocolate or something. So that's the plan of today, and we hope that we can do all that. And there's a really cute puppy here. I should definitely do an outfit check to show you what I'm wearing today. We got to our breakfast place. It's currently 11:11. Make a wish. This took some time, but the lemonade is really good. This is a strawberry lemonade. I got what is it called? The cheese croissant. No, it's got, what is that? I got what? It's called granola. Jesus Christ. With yogurt and a croissant. This place is called It's Mugshot. Mugshot, yeah. It's a little bit of a drive from our place, but it was worth it. It's kind of giving kibunwa, if you know. I just had my first camel ride and it was so much fun. Nels was being the Instagram boyfriend, taking all the videos and all the pictures, but I didn't record it on those, so I'll put the videos here. And now we're going to Nguuni. I said that in the morning. It's where you see like animals up close, and I'm really excited for that. It's gonna be like 20 minutes, and when we get there, it's gonna be like 30-minute walk, I guess, to get to the common area or something. And yeah, I'm excited for that too. How big is it?
Oh, this is 240 acres.
Oh. It's so hot. It's so effing hot. And I did the worst thing of wearing my sandals. What was I thinking? Now I'm covered in mud. But so far my pants are clean. Damn. We finally got to see the animals. I never done anything like this. Even in the safaris, you don't get this close. This is worth it if you what from the car. This is the best thing I have ever seen. Like what? This is really impressive. You gotta come to Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. I hope I'm saying that correct, but basically, baby, it's trying to get a selfie with the ostrich. We're seeing turtles here, and they're the slow ones, and they don't live in the water. So turtles and tortoise are different. These are tortoise, and turtles are in the water. Anyway, Google it. How much they weigh?
About 2 kilos. 1.8, 1.9.
Feels like that Justin Bieber song. Life is worth living. Ooh. Word. Anyway, we didn't stay at Forodani restaurant for that long because it looked like the food was gonna take forever, so I got a pina colada. Virgin though, because they don't serve alcohol here. Found this place near the Fort Jesus, and that's where all the locals are hanging. We feel like we're part of the community now. Like I can pretend I'm Kenyan Which many people have been telling me that they have been talking to me in Kiswahili thinking I'm Kenyan. Do I look Kenyan? I guess all East Africans look almost alike, I would say. This is a really great experience. Okay, test, my first oyster.
I'm gonna hit it.
It's not coming.
Use your tongue.
My tongue?
Yes, you got it.
I don't know, babe. You might have to eat all these oysters by yourself. Good morning from Mombasa, day 2. But we're heading to the airport to catch a flight to Lamu. Our flight was delayed 2 hours, I believe. We wanted to wake up a bit later because yesterday we did a bunch of things you're gonna see, and it's gonna be, oh, you already saw.
Morning. Our driver is here.
Oh, okay. I have to go. I'll talk to you in the car. Here we are on the road again. I just didn't get time to show you our Airbnb in Mombasa. It was cute. They had amazing views. Nothing too special, but like the views were amazing. You could see the beach, not the water, and it was so clear, like crystal clear. And we're now heading to Lamu today. We're gonna catch a flight, which is like 45 minutes, and it got delayed, as I said. It got delayed like 2 hours.
Yeah.
It got delayed 2 hours for some reason, I don't know. But Mombasa was quite nice. It's quite hectic. I was saying that it feels like here in Mombasa everyone is trying to sell something, and everyone got together and they're all trying to sell something, which is hectic. But it was beautiful. As you saw, the animals and the old town is just amazing. Last night we had an amazing dinner at this place called Floating Island Bar. I didn't record that much because my camera died when I was there, and I didn't have the charger or something. But it was amazing. I had oysters for the first time, and I didn't like it. It was, I don't know, it tasted like, nah. But Nels enjoyed it. You did, right? You ate all the oysters. And we had an octopus too, which I've had it before, but not the grilled one. And it was so chewy, but it was good. It was really nice meal and nice ambience. We really had fun. So that's the update, and I can't wait to be in Lamu because I've heard that it's so beautiful there.